this is Jennifer from Kaisha Machinery, where we have a new arrival 2 sets of Komatsu Pc200, the original Japanese machines, one of the most classical models, and your good choice.